If you guys have a pew pew for home protection, you want to make sure, one, you keep it safe from the kids and everybody in your house. Second, you want to have easy access. That's why you need to get one of these that has a fingerprint and it has code. Let me show you how quick you can access this. Just like that, it is out. Less than 0.5 seconds. You get a place for 2 magazines. You can lock it here, and then you could also enter a code. And it will open up. These things are hella cool. I'll put a link right there.
You're just going to take out your old one by unscrewing it, and you're going to put the new one in. And we actually had to make an adjustment by just scraping some about because it was a little snug. And then you just connect the wires and screw it in. I'm so glad that we finally decided to make the switch because it is so convenient. Now anytime our dog sitter comes, all they have to do is just put in our code, and it is just so easy. Now because we have 2 doors, we did have to buy 2, but because the key fob is a dual door fob, we can unlock both doors with 1 key fob. Not only is it waterproof, but it does come with a child lock, so you should be okay if your little rugrats like to push buttons.
This little lock, it's a trigger lock. You can open it up, simple like that. Very portable. You take our pew pew. Doesn't matter if it's big or small. We just put it right there where it jams in with all those pins. Very simple. You put it on the lock. There you go. Now,
they got it. Man, look at that. That's nice. So the first thing we did was take the old door lock off. Wasn't hard. Just had to take 4 screws out, pop it out. So this RV door lock, it comes with all the tools, nuts, and bolts to install it. But one of the things you may not know that RV door locks is one of the simplest door locks you can actually install. It's very easy, just 4 bolts, take it out, pop it in, put the batteries in it, and you're ready. So it does, that's what I was wondering. This little button, this little key. Yeah, it comes with key fob. Lock 1, lock 2. You get 1 lock.
Key fobs.
2. Both key fobs come with. So if the keys, if your battery goes dead, something of that nature, pull it down, stick the key in there. Work your lock. Alright, so we got our new lock in our camper. Got a key fob now, so we got 2 more keys and we're going to break it off and we're done. We get someone that's got a key, they always break it. Anyway, close the door, push the lock button, then close the lock. Type in the password. You can type in anything you want. Like you can type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like somebody's watching, and then just type in your password. You can type in any series numbers you want as long as the password in sequence to what you type. So that's pretty neat. Now the door's locked. You push unlock.
Not having to dig for keys has been a total game changer. Second, a surge protector. After a rig near us got struck by lightning with no surge protection, we'll never go without one of these. And last, a tire pressure monitoring system. Tire issues.
It look like it got a number code, and you can do fingerprint. You can do up to like 100 fingerprints, I think. And then it comes with these keys if the batteries ever die or you just forget the code. But hey, I'm finna find out how to set this up, and I'm gonna get back with y'all. Oh, all right, y'all, we got it all set up. Let me show you. Busted. And they got fingerprint. Oh. Busted. Let me load my stuff in here so I can see if it all fit. But yeah, y'all, we got everything in here. I would show y'all, but I don't want my TikTok to get banned. So
see just how secure this thing is. We're gonna test the keyway, we're gonna test the remote, and see how it all works. For now, let's just take a peek and see what it looks like. Saw a few other people open and review one of these, and it actually seemed kind of promising. I've reviewed some of the more expensive brands, if you will, out there. And those are absolutely great, but they're also really, really expensive. So see if maybe this could be a cheaper alternative option. It does have a nice keypad. I do like the feeling of the button press on there as far as the action goes. What's happening here? Maybe I should like read the directions together. Oh, here we go. This is the outside keyway, isn't it? Yeah, that was done. Overall, the build quality on this is actually really nice. You do have a lot of metal components, as you can hear there, it does run on 4 AA's. Looks like you can change some of the settings. You got the mute button right here. Makes that easy peasy. The real question is, how secure is this? Now, I can tell you,
The Iron Pro. As you can see, it holds the 2 full-size pistols perfectly and has an interior light so you could access and locate your pistols in low light conditions. It could hold up to 50 fingerprints and is powered by 4 AA batteries. And it's equipped with an emergency power supply. So if your batteries die while your goods are in here and you don't have any key available, all you have to do is plug in a charger and your fingerprint or your code should be able to open the safe. The inside is padded and the safe itself is portable, so you could take it on road trips. Or you could leave it at home in a cabinet or a drawer. This security cable is included, so you could anchor the safe to any fixed object so no one could take off with it. And you could put it, this is how you put it in here. Put it right there, slides in there, and then you shut the safe, and then you anchor this down to something, and you know.